Hello guys, today I've got the Motorola Edge 70 Pro and I'm going to show you how to create the backup and how to transfer your data to another phone. At first you need to open the settings. Here when you scroll down you should see the section backup or copy data. Tap it and tap backup data right here. Now here you need to sign into your Google account. Tap Add Account. If you are logged in, actually you can skip this moment, but I will explain it. Here now you need to enter your email address. If you don't have the Google account, you can create it clicking here Create Account. Here now you need to enter your password. Let me input it here. Now next. And now here I will be using this device. I agree. And we should be redirected straight to the same place we have been earlier. Here we've got adding account. And now we've got here this backup. Here we can select what data we want to backup, like Google Photos, to Google Photos, the photos and videos, and other device data. Contacts, call history, device settings, apps and app data, SMS and MMS messages, and SIMs. You can tap it here and then confirm. Now you can tap this backup now to create the backup. How to actually transfer your data to another phone? You need to go back here and tap copy data using Android switch. Here tap start, and here you need to select your device, if it's Android phone or iPhone or iPad. As you can see here, we've got the quick instruction. Before that, choose what to copy. You want to lose recent data and make sure your other device is charged. Start, for example, Android device, and just copy, scan this QR code. We can copy our phone using another way, like for example, as far as I know already, USB Type-C cable. And you need to just follow the on-screen instructions. That's it, goodbye.